It's Wingcraft.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Hope you're all doing fine. So today's video I'm going to show you guys how I was able to blend my natural fussy hair with these beautiful clip-on extensions. But before we get into that, if you've not already, please don't forget to support me by liking this video and please subscribe to my channel, and also please share this video with your friends. So guys, I'm going to show you guys how I was able to blend my hair with this extension. The great thing about this extension is the fact that you don't have to sew in or put on a wig. If you want, you can just put it on since it's a clip-in, and the bundle, this is one bundle, is enough for you, you know. I absolutely love it. It's so straight, so beautiful, you know, and it blends with my natural hair. It's not exactly the same texture of my natural fussy hair, but it actually fits, like seriously. I really love this hair. And this extension is from Curlsqueen hair company. I'm going to put all the hair specs, the links, everything that has to do with this clip-in extension in the description box below. So now let's just get into the tutorial. Hi guys, so guys, I'm going to show you guys what the packaging looks like. So the clip-in extension came with extra clips, and you guys can see this is what it looks like. It's very beautiful, very soft. So before I begin, I'm gonna first of all moisturize my hair. I'm gonna apply my leave-in conditioner, and then I'm gonna apply my hair cream. I'm the guy you never heard of. So pack it up and put it on a brother. Baby girl, I know you're one murder. Your face, your eyes, looking very nice. The way you wind, I want you to be mine. So make you turn it up and put it on me. Girl, make you follow me and be my only. So after that, I'm gonna detangle my hair. So now I'm going to section my hair. I'm going to bring out a little bit of hair in front, in the middle part, as you guys can see, and also in front and at the back as well, because I like to put this extension in the ponytail. Show them that you got it. The way that you wind that booty on me, you make me wanna sign that booty for me. I'll do you anywhere when you turn me on. You looking at me, girl, me say carry on. Say girl, I really like the way that you carry your body. Say girl, you can stand by me anywhere all day, girl. You're a naughty girl. You're a naughty girl. Oh, so right, I'm just gonna cornrow the hair I sectioned. She want a bad man to come and video this. You a murder me, You a murder me, You a murder me. You a murder me. Oh Lord of His mercy. She a murder me. She did murder me. So now I'm just gonna cornrow the rest of my hair. Hey, his body, baby, oh Lord of His mercy. Hey, I say, I'm feeling all this, she already know this. She want a bad man to come and video this. I'm feeling all this, she already know this. She want a bad man to come and video this. You a murder me, You a murder me, You a murder me. You a murder me. She says she want murder. I'm the guy. So now I'm done with the cornrow. I'm gonna spray a little bit of water on my edges and then I'm gonna lay it down with the jam.
Turn it up and put it on me. Girl, make you follow me and be my only. So make you go down, girl. Oh, Lord, make you slow down, girl. Oh, Lord, so make you go down, girl. Hey, make you slow down.
So after spraying it, I'm just gonna tie my scarf and let it sit for like 5 minutes. So after 5 minutes, I'm gonna start putting on the clipping extension.
My video is you a murder me, You a murder me, You a murder me. You a murder me. So make you give them, girl. So make you show them that you got it. The way that you wind that booty on me.
So if you have relaxed hair, if your hair is not natural, you can also put this clipping on in between your relaxed hair, because when you relax your hair, it's almost like the same texture as this. So you can always put the clip in between your natural hair as well.
I'm feeling all this, she already know this. She want a bad man to come and video this. I'm feeling all this, she already know this. She want a bad man to come and video this. You a murder me, You a murder me, You a murder me. You a murder me. Oh Lord of His mercy.
So after that, I'm gonna go ahead and apply my heat protectant oil.
Hey, His body, baby, oh Lord of His mercy. Hey, I say, I'm feeling all this, she already knows.
So right here, I'm just gonna section my hair in the middle because I'm going for a middle part. And then I'm gonna apply my heat protectant and then I'm gonna straighten my hair.
You a murder me, You a murder me. You a murder me. She says she want murder. I'm the guy you never heard of. So back it up and put it on a brother. Baby girl, I know you want murder. Your face, your eyes looking very nice.
So I'm just gonna comb it in. As you guys can see, it blends very well with the extension. So I'm gonna repeat the same thing on the other side.
Make you slow down, girl. Oh Lord, so make you go down, girl. Hey, make you slow down, girl. Oh Lord of His mercy. I'm feeling all this, she already know this. She want a bad man to come and video this. I'm feeling all this, she already know this. She want a bad man to come and video this. You a murder me.
So I'm just gonna blend everything, comb everything. As you guys can see, it looks absolutely beautiful. It looks like my hair. I absolutely love this extension. So this is exactly what it looks like, and this clipping is amazing because it can be versatile. You can use it for different styles. So I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys how different ways to style it, So I just took out the clipping. I'm just gonna change the position because I'm just trying to see if I can get my hair all to the back. So I'm gonna lose the hair in front and then I'm gonna straighten it as well.
She want a bad man to come and video this. I'm feeling all this, she already know this. She want a bad man to come and video this. You a murder me, You a murder me, You a murder
Then I'm gonna brush it, and this is what it looks like. Very beautiful. Like, this is just amazing. And also I'm gonna straighten all the hair, like the one at the back as well, and then put it into a ponytail, and this is the result as well. And that is it, guys. Thank you all so much for watching. Love you all. Bye.